Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm gonna quickly show you how to use alt text generator for Figma. So what you want to do is you want to go to figma.com, or if you have Figma installed on your computer, I'll show you how to get from there. But if you're on figma.com, you want to go to the plugin section, and here you want to say alt text generator, and you'll see the second one here. Alright, so once you click on open in, I'm just going to open it in a new untitled here, which is like a file that I was working on. And the first thing that we need is to click on run, generate alt text, and then you'll see this. I have 10 credits. I already have my API key. So, but you won't have any API keys, but like if you want to get one, you can just get one for free here. You can get one for free here and then copy this and then go and paste it there, save it, and then it will tell you how many credits you have. So I have 10, and the next thing will be to drop one image. I'll drop this image here on the Canva and scroll here, just go here, just make it a little bit smaller so that you can see it. Okay, so I'll select it and then I'll click on generate alt text. You can see that it's processing the images. It usually takes a few seconds. And another feature that you have is generate in bulk. So if you drop multiple images and then click on generate in bulk, it will detect all the images and generate the alt text for all of them. Okay, so this is done. You can see that it converted the image to a component, and inside of that you still have the image. And once you click on this one, you'll go and see the description for that image, which in this case it's the alt text. There is no an alt text field in Figma, so you have to put it in the description, which is the description of the image as well. And yeah, that's it. Feel free to use it. If you have any questions, let me know, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.